Hey everybody, how are you all doing? It's been a while since I've done a voiceover. To be honest, I'm not gonna really explain anything in this tutorial. It is an old tutorial, like 2020, that I found the footage of, and I'm using this to explain a couple of things and just check in with you all. So, to be honest, I know social media in general is changing, right? It's all about the TikToks, the Reels, the YouTube Shorts. And that's perfectly fine with me, you know. My whole outlook on social media has changed the last year. I'm back to just doing it because I enjoy it and whenever I can. So yeah, I want to go back and just make tutorials the way I want to do them. And I'm gonna. It's just that whenever I feel like it. So yeah, that's really what's going on. Also, my life, like right now, everything is on the up again. I'm feeling a lot better. I gave a little bit of an update what was going on the past year, really, in my previous video in the caption. So if you want to know about that, just go to the previous video. It's all there. But for now, I'm feeling a lot better. I'm happier. And, you know, Robin is doing good. I've been more active on Instagram per usual. And I've been active in Robin's stream on Twitch, actually. Who knows? I might actually start doing Twitch streams. Anyway, that's it. That's really it. I promise I'll be back. Thank you all so much for your patience. And I love you. Stay safe.